Hello guys, am I audible? Hello, can you even give the reply? Am I audible or not? So we can just start this new course of our AWS system admin. Okay, so I think am I audible, right? Okay, yeah. So am I audible, right? So welcome all of you guys. I am Bobby from the Future Techno India, and we are starting today AWS system admin full series of this course. Absolutely, it's this course is absolutely free, and there is no prerequisite of this course. So first of all, very good morning to all of you. That in this weekend you are there for me, and if it always good before starting to our technical stack to know like from whom you are knowing like teaching like learning everyone and other things also. So it is always good to know about your instructor mentor whatever you want to say. So let me introduce myself. I am Bobby Singh. I am I have experience in DevOps and cloud domain from last couple of years. I have worked on many of projects with different clients in across the world. Also associated with some communities, and I helped them in many use cases. So if I talk about like if you want to know about me, it's always good to like go on the Google, type my name Bobby Singh, and then type my domain, so I can let you show like what you can do. Just go here, type Bobby Singh DevOps. It's DevOps. So if you sign, you will see me. uh, this was my picture. It was the older one. And if you want to see what all the contribution I have done in the open source, so you can visit my LinkedIn profile and the GitHub account. Anywhere, if you want to I ask anything directly from me, you can just ping me on the LinkedIn or any other social media. I will be there for helping you all the way. And uh, let's back to like what this course is. Everyone know like what is AWS and what is the system admin task is this, but this is the very different. Like I have worked with very many clients, and they told me like they have some role kind of AWS SysOps and AWS system admin. So it's not like the traditional system admin, and it's not like the purely DevOps kind of thing, but they stuff also the cloud stuff and some automation also. So they have the like a combined all the different parts of main technology and created a one complete role. So uh, first of all, like what's the need of this role? This role is like if you know everything like in the industry, they are moving to the cloud, and as we know, we can't remove any of the person from the team, like any of the role, because every role have a specific but we can modify a little bit. Everyone is now switching to the cloud. So for the cloud, if we see, we can't rely on the like Linux admin, which will which couple like last couple of years like working on our industry. That was the traditional system, but now we have like in the new era. So here we have the system admin things, but cloud and the integration also. So this course is like a prerequisite for the it's obviously for the students learners who want to learn the new technologies, and if you want to start your career in technical domain or DevOps or the cloud, if you want to. Also in this course you will see the little bit of programming also. like how you can integrate. So we will so the demo of like how you can integrate the things with the programming language. Like in many of the courses you will see the programming language is used to for something they create some product, but in the real world how you can use the programming language to integrate two different technologies or two different things. And if you want to create, like if you visit our previous course that was the GitLab CI/CD with the Terraform, so there you have the info of the Terraform, so how that Terraform is working internally. So that conceptual knowledge you will get from here. So if you want to create some tool that kind of like Terraform is working with the Go language, if you want to use the different language for the different tool, you can create it by your own, and then you can create a product and launch it in the market. That's a different part. And also if you need any support from me or my team, we will be always there to help you. You can just go to our website futuretechnoindia.com. This was the futuretechnoindia.com, and you will see that one contact with us in the wait it's I think yeah, contact, and it's in the contact page. So if you go in this page you will see the contact thing, like how we can you can reach with us, and we will help you there. So this is the form. You can fill your details and your message, how like why you want to uh, reach, and if you want you can directly ping me on this mail and this number. It might be like sometimes this number will not able to pick up your call. Just ping a WhatsApp message on this number. So anyone from our team will reach out to you. And other like if we go deep dive into code, so this course is for students or like technical whichever. The professionals also which are trying to shift their domain like in the DevOps or cloud era, so they can also join this course. There is no prerequisite. Firstly, I think about like that I can jump start to the technical part, but it is not good because you don't know what we will learn in this course. You have seen some templates or video from our team, but you will not have the knowledge like we what we are trying to uh, give from this course to you. So if I talk about this course, yeah, have the multiple use case, and you can implement in many uh, projects also. This will include the all the AWS things. Let me that wait, it is working or not? Wait a minute, let's think. When this touchpad is having some issues. Yeah. So this will include the all the wait, buddy. Hmm. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. So this will in what happened? Sorry about this thing. Is it cutting? Yeah. No, it's fine. So this will include all the AWS things also. Your all the uh, issues in the Linux, and then we are using for integration. We are using the Python also there, and there might be all other things which we include in this. So basically these are the major tools. You will see the programming fundamentals and Linux admin stuff, and others you will see for the automation, like if you know in the cloud what we are doing. So AWS is a cloud, if you know, and in this cloud what we are provisioning some resources. Provisioning, if you know about don't know about that, what is the provision? So you can simply think about, like, we are creating some, like, launching something thing, like, if you have uh, one laptop. The simple example, if you are buying a laptop and open it, so that's like you are buying the device and opening it. So that will, in the simple terms, you can call it the provisioning, but it's completely different when we go in deep dive of the strings. So you will get the info what the provisioning means actually. And after the provisioning, like, if you buy a brand new laptop from any of the vendors, so they will give you, and at the buying, they told you, like, we have to configure your laptop. So what the configuration means? So configuration means is like you are adding some softwares and then some configuration, and all the steps depends on your environment, like what you are trying to do with that. So that all the stuff you will see there. So we will also use the configuration in the, and every cloud they have the some configuration things also, you can automate them, but there is a completely different tool, like, if you know uh, the tool, there is a complete different, I can say, the complete different set of tools. There's not only one tool. They call the configuration management. Configuration, sorry about my handwriting. So I have not written so much. I am used to the keyboard. That's why some couple of months or years I didn't use my pen. Only for the signature work I have used. Configuration management. Uh, what happened? Configuration management. So what the configuration management? Like, you are managing your configuration with some kind of tool. In this list, if you see configuration management, you will see that one of the most popular tools, the open source one, I like this most. I also implemented a lot of in different environment. That was the Ansible. So if you have with seen my previous video or my previous talks anywhere, I have talked a lot, like, how we can integrate this Terraform with the Ansible, and we have created the lot of complex big infrastructure. And I can assure you, many of the organization using with the Ansible and Terraform, they are running their whole infrastructure only. Like, these are the, with the two tools they are doing anything. Also, if like, there are also two other tools called Chef, and the, it's Puppet also be there, but we use the Ansible a lot. When we start the Ansible part in a this training, you will get how we are using Ansible and why we have other tools. So why we are using Ansible a lot as compared to others. We are using others also, but Ansible is more in the industry as compared to others. They, if you go insights of Ansible, they are written in the that Python language, and they are using internally the Python things. I will show you all the things what it's doing, and how Ansible working internally. Like, everyone, if you search on the YouTube and Google, you will see that you have Ansible and other things which is there. Like, you can create the Ansible, if you have configuration, roles, inventory, you will see they will show you how you can create and run it, but how it's affected in the different environment together, how they are what kind of things Ansible is doing inside there, and how the Python scripts goes in the Ansible, and how you are doing it. So you will see that thing all around. And why we are using Python here? So it's always good to use one language in for the integration of another, because it's have every tool is written by a one programming language, but if you see that programming language, so is the tools features it's limited up. It's always like they have including the new features updates and that all the different part, but it might be sometimes we don't have that plugin or features on the particular tools which we are, so at that time we need the developer guide. So I don't prefer that you need the proper all the depth in the coding and SDA, like SDE or that kind of stuff you have to do completely, but you need some programming language knowledge also. So if you have some errors or trying to troubleshoot any environment, so you can just by seeing the status or error code, by seeing the code you can get to know like what it is doing and how it's affecting. So we are using Python here for integrating the AWS and the Linux and Ansible thing. So Ansible is written on the Python, that's the different thing, but we are using Python. And if I specific for the version, we are using the uh, Python 3. So Python 3 because we have the Python 2 also, but we are using the Python 3 because in this Python 3 we have we have multiple use case, and we have a lot of libraries which we use in our environment. So it is always good to learn the latest one, but I will not say I will not say the latest one. It's like the current one, because if you go in the latest one now, so you will not get the every features. Uh, if you go I will give the one example. Like if you have one update, so it might be there. This tool have the more features in it, but at the time of integration, it will conflict with each other. They tell you that you have in this program language you have this library, but for this tool you don't have that plugin, so you don't integrate it. So you have to set on the midway, like you have to be the updated also but not the latest also. That's the reason the if some update happen, company don't switch to the latest one directly. That's why all the tools have the LTS support. So like if you know about what is LTS means, so it's like long term support, that one. Like they have some weekly updates, but they have some long term. So companies mainly use the LTS tool, like LTS version of any tool, so they can they don't have to update every time for the different, because many projects are so much big, they will take years to get the project complete. They don't want to mess up with that. Okay. Also we will I will tell you what's the structure of this our course. Let me increase the size of this page. Yeah. So uh, if we are going what I'm saying, just yeah, what's the structure. So in this course, I don't want to be just saying anything, and because we know if we get anything for the free, then we will not value it. Although that stuff which we are getting from the open source, and that is like if I say that's like a gold coins, so it's more valuable, but we don't have proper things, like we will just ignore that, but I don't want that. So what we have created some environment. It's not applicable from the today. Today you don't have to fill any attendance and anything. So what we'll do, I prefer the live one, guys, which should be always with me in the live training, because the recorded one will be always there in the YouTube and you will see that, but live one can get the some extra advantage. So we are doing one thing. What we have to do at the time when you are join the class in the live. So in at the screen you will see one live tag, right? It's something red mark and it's so like a live written there. So what you have to do, you have to take that screenshot of your and yeah, you might be thinking have some chat kind of thing or the comment. So you can just add the comment or chat with your highlight. So it will show like if anything like which you want to greet to everyone. Like if you have anything new, you can tell them. Or you have any doubts, you can just ping on the chat. So it will like you have present in the present training. And what we will do only ones which are continuously going with the live sessions in the above future trainings and the future projects. We will call you guys on our professional projects, and absolutely if you are working with us and we will pay you, that's the different part. But you will get the more insights of the projects and thing. So I will prefer the use the live one. You will after the what I say session, you will get the form. There you have to upload this screenshot. So my team will be there and they will review that you have put it the correct screenshot or not. Make the things uh, clear, because the thing is you need the live tag also and then your name. So make sure you have joined with your named Google account. So at like hacker or something. And we have many cool names, but it always good to use your real name. I have also my gaming name and others player's name, but it always good to use any training server your real name and the real account. Okay. So and after that, what you have to do? This was for the live one. This is for the participation of live. We have the extra advantage, like we will give you the projects because the live one which are currently with us, they will see that the things very closely, and if they have anything, so you can they can. Otherwise what will you will do, you will see the recorded session and then get back to our team, ask queries, they will help you, but you will not get the current like the on time solution of your problem. So it is always good to uh, join the live sessions. It like I can understand that it is always in the weekends and you will see me at the morning. It is always hectic, like you have your weekend to chill. 5 days you have worked in the or you have joined your college classes. But sorry about you guys, I need that person who is the live one, because if you want to learn something, you have to invest some uh, thing, you have to sacrifice something or other. So for that I am biased with this. And after that you will get a one more attendance form. So that was the live participation one, live participation one. And you will get a different, sorry, god, wait, I have put it on the screenshot. God, I have increased the font size accidentally. Yeah. Sorry about you guys. I have put it, my hand at the that shortcut key of my touchpad. No issues. So you will get a one attendance form. It is attendance form. What you have to do here, that you will join the session, and I want like you will always concentrate on the session. So we have created one thing. What we have to do, we have some. I have created some web scraper code. In the future, I will show that how you can do the web scraping also. Uh, we have created the web scraper code. So what we have to do in this Google form, we will see you one form. In this Google form, you have to add your screenshots. It is for my team, so they can just review it, and what the things you have written. And here you have to put. You will have a one more field. Uh, there you have to paste the link. You have to post your summary of the session. So it's like what you have learned or what you have teach from this session. You have to uh, put it on your any handles. Like if you are that medium one, that also fine. You are the uh, like a blogspot guy. That was, if you are not that, you are like that's the simple way. You can use the LinkedIn, and you have an social media account. Wait, I am getting one call. Let me cut this one. Yeah, let me silent my phone. So you will go there and put all the summary of the session in your social media and paste the link here. So what we will do, we will go on this all the links, open your post, and we will scrap your data. So don't go for that. You will copy someone's. It is not good. Like if you have copied something, that you will be. So it will, and you have to do it by your own. So it doesn't mean like how you are understanding. If you are understanding in the full things, mention the 4 points only. If you are understanding the 10 points, so also in this time we are adding one more field called the feedback. So hey, this is optional. You will get the optional thing there. Every time after the session, you can put the feedback of every session. So it will help me to improve like what I have to improve in my. Also, you can put anything like if you want in upcoming sessions, so you can put it there. Like we want this integration, we want to see this thing. So I will explain you that also. So that will be the idea. This training will be the in the 10 a.m. On the weekends. Like weekend will be the Saturday and Sunday, and there will be, if there will be any holiday. So holidays means like if you have any festival or some kind of government authorized holiday, that should be there. So we have to take the leave on that day because we can't. We have busy with our families. So 1 to 1.5 hours daily. I can give the like I can talk 4 to 6 hours. It's nothing for me. But the thing is, you will get the bore. So I want to uh, give like very small sessions. We will learn some new things today. We will implement it. We will uh, add the summary. We will add the feedback. We have the doubts. We will come in the next session. We will add some more things. So day by also you have learned in the 2 days. You have implemented in your weekdays. Your time in your time you have implemented that. You have created something new. Then you have back to. So uh, it is like a very much lesser, like 2 to 3 hours in a week. But you will in this 2 hours. Yeah, I can guarantee you, if you follow this thing along with me, it will change your technical journey. So they can know. I am not the guy that who come from the very big college like NIT and IIT. So It's not depend on the college. The things I have run many things by my own. I have some guidance from some others. That's different. But I have uh, you have to be very sincere about your things. That's the only thing. So if you want to grow in your career, to be very precise, come on the time, learn everything, and complete it all the time. Don't take that like we have 5 days, we will do the in like on the fifth day. If you have do in the fifth day, then it will be like you will have some error, or like it will be postponed on the next day. Always try to do as much sooner as you can, and then after that, once you will see that you have a lot of free time. Then you can implement anything with else. Okay, so uh, let me drink some water. I have talking from last half hours. What of? So by the meantime, if you have any chat, like you can just ping us on the chat. I'm just looking. Yeah. So I think hello everyone. You have put it. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hi. All. So get back to the thing. So let's talk about the softwares like which we are using. So what's the configuration part we will do later on. Like what the packages we need for this training in our. So you have to uh, what happened? God, I don't know what happened. Yeah. So first the thing you need a AWS account. AWS account. So you can create the AWS account by the two way. You can add your debit or credit card, like your banking card. It is for the authorization one. Like if have you have used some service, they will charge you some amount. I will uh, suggest you guys don't if you are new in the cloud, only create that. It will detect you 1 or 2 rupees only for the authorization. 1 or 2 rupees only for the auth to you. Not like AWS is taking 1 2 rupees from your. And other thing is like if you have the uh, student account, it's like from your college or your company, like you have some student or developer account, so you can use that for creating your AWS account. Then the second things which you need the Python 3 we are using. Python 3. And after the Python we need the what I say, once you have created the account, we need the AWS CLI. So what's its need and what I will tell you why we need the AWS CLI and what it needs. So AWS CLI, you can just note down these softwares. You can just search it. What is this? But I will see like show you all the demos and how you can install this package and all the docs, all the articles we have. So you can just if I tell you, you can go. If let me, I think we have some social media handles. You can just search Future Techno India. Medium. Yeah, Medium dot Future Techno India. So this was the our Medium account. We are posting a lot of article from last couple of months. So don't put on this training. That was the development. That was closed. We will remove it. You will see the lot of article we have posted. I have to sign in with my that account. Then it will load internal thing. But you can see I think we have posted till now. I think 50, 60 articles minimum. You will see the all the basic stuff like what's the so I am not covering these points like what is Linux and absolutely we will give the some info. But if you need the must differ, you can just come on this page, read the whole article. So that was our previous logo. So you can just read it. That was not a very big article, but you will see very much info from there. You need that AWS and uh, absolutely you need the Linux. So in the Linux, I will tell you if you go in the Linux. So what is Linux is the just OS, okay. But if you have that Windows or Mac, that thing, so you will see that in the Windows, like if I compare with the Windows, so Windows have like a Windows XP 98, 7, 8, and then 10, 11. So these are all the Windows version we have. Like this, we have in the Linux also. These all the version. But Linux is not stuck on the one version. You will see the lot of Linux. Linux have a one more thing that called the family. What it means family? Like they have a different type of Linux. Like they have for the if I say that IoT devices like IoT one that was the Raspberry Pi. If you know about the Raspberry Pi, so it's a Raspberry. So this is the very thinner OS which have the very much limited capability, but you can use it in the IoT device like sensors, like all, and then you have Linux for the cloud. So, but the major you have now that was the Debian base, like Debian, Fedora. No, I think Fedora was the different Debian base. So Debian, Ubuntu, that one, and then you have the Fedora one, and then RHEL, CentOS. So these are all the Linux families. Like we have different communities over the organization. We actually are creating a. So Linux is not a OS. If I say this is not the OS, it's the kernel. It is the kernel. We have created the OS from this kernel. Okay, that was the thing. These all the OS. These all the OS, and this was the kernel. So many are having the doubt what is the Linux and why we are using that Linux. This is the kernel. This was the OS which you can use. Okay, so as I have tell you, like we will use you can use the any say we will use the CentOS Zelbis. I am not saying you just install if I am installing the rel and just install that rel. If you want, you can install the center, but I will use the same family one only, which I am using. Use the same family so that you will not have to worry about the commands and that thing. Because if you see now, if you are using the Ubuntu, let's O- O- OBUNT, wait, Ubuntu. So in rel we have a command yum dnf for installation of package. That's a one of example. But here we have apt and apt and apt get. So this type of difference we will see, and you will then ping us uh, that what you have done with, like you have told me that then yum and yum is not working, dnf is not working here. So it might be you are the different Linux family OS, then you will not see these commands. So command will be the different for every Linux command. But if you are the basic Linux architecture will be the same. It might be some different. But if you are familiar with, like you can learn one Linux family, you can completely shift to a different. It's has so one of the chat I just saw like for the note, yeah, you will absolutely get the notes and also these drawings which I am doing um right now. But you will see get the proper notes of every session. But this will be the very specific for you guys. So what we will do for the notes kind of thing. Thanks for remembering me. For the notes, what we will do? We will create a one doc every day. Like for the session, we will create the doc. My team will create, and this doc we will give the access channel and see this video. But you will get the access on your registered email. So by that email which you have registered with us, on that email you will get the access of that node. So you will get the link of the doc every day. Every day it might be like 1 day delay because creating the dog and reviewing it will take some time. And in the notes you will get all the info which I have covered. So doc is notes is for helping you, but I will suggest you to create your notes by your own. You can it always because you can use your paper and pen before like from the next session. Just bring it on your table so you can just note don't create a no need to create the proper notes like you have written every line from which I am talking to you, but make notes shorter and crisper. Like you mention that thing which you need only. Like for example, if you know like yum is using for the, like if you know that date command shows the output of like time and date of current system. So don't note that. But in the date, you have a parameters, like parameters or argument. We have. So if you don't know about it, note that down. So only note that thing which you have read, like which you have what I say, and don't know or you have some doubt about that. Also in the uh, make it like at the top, like if you see one, I can draw one notebook for you. If you have na, I always use that trick. So this white part you see there, there's the your lines. where you have taking your notes. This part na, where we have putting the date, na, there you can make a note. Like I am talking something, you have some doubt, put it there. Don't go like many are saying that put it on the last of your copy and that. Don't do that. Just put it on the same page. So you will see that you have a question one on this page, you have question two for this page, question three for that. So it will once you open that notes na, they will remember you like you have this doubt on this page, just read it. So all the doubts at the time of written that note you have in your mind, you will see that. So always go for that question, read that doc, get that answer, go ahead. It will come like uh, uh, it will help you to reduce your time for revising the concepts. I use that trick a lot. Okay. Yeah, hi bhaiya. Yeah, many of my colleagues, like the juniors and the student were call me bhaiya. Yeah. So fine. Hi guys. Uh, Also, if you, I think I have done for the day. I don't want to go in the technical stuff today because it's like your orientation day. So just familiar with our environment, get better. And one more thing, we didn't close the registration till now because I didn't get the chance to take one orientation like intro session for you guys. So sorry about that. I have to take it earlier also, but because of some reasons, I am busy with some work, so I have not able to get the chance to take that session. But what you can do, we will open the registration for the next uh, 1 week. Okay, so today is 20. We will open till 16. Of the August is the updated date for the registration one. So you will get the update. Like you can refer your friend. You will sometime like after the season you will get that the information. You can share with your known ones and yours. And after that, once you have shared, make sure they join because many times like they want that they think they join that because of that free thing, but they didn't join the session. So make sure they join the session. Don't You don't have to force them. Don't force anyone, but you can just help him to get the right path. So once they will success in their journey, so they will always thankful to you. I can't be with everyone at the same place, but you guys are like uh, um, just like our family, so you can just help him. Okay, so I want so you can just put the chat if you have any doubts. So I will be there after the uh, this stream. What you can do, you can paste on the comment of this video. So once this, yeah, a small discussion with you about the placement. Yeah, Ashok, yeah, Ashoka, we will surely talk about the placements. You will get the right thing also. And if you have that my contact number or like my team contact number, you can contact to them. We will I will surely connect with you, and I can, as much I can do, I will do for you guys. And what about the issue? Could you please examine the syllabus, please? I'm not able to understand Vishu what you are trying to do, trying to say that could you please examine the syllabus? What was the exam syllabus? Which exam you are talking about? And that give me your mail. You can just Ashok, you can just ping us on the uh, contact at the rate futuretechnoindia.com, or you can just ping us on the futuretechnoindia at the rate yahoo.com. That was our email. I can put it on the this. It's contact at the rate futuretechnoindia.com, and that was my personal one, founder at the rate futuretechnoindia.com. That was mine. Okay. Syllabus of this course. Okay. So write in description. Okay. Yeah. Ashok, you can, if you want, you can just directly ping me on the LinkedIn. And for the this syllabus of the course, so if you want the detailed syllabus, we will cover that all the Linux stuff, like your package management thing, the configuration, the users permissions, and the configurations, internal configuration also be there. How you can troubleshoot with the different environments, it will be also there. How you can integrate the AWS with the Python thing there. How you can integrate Linux with the AWS, that will be there. How you can use the uh, playbooks with the Python. So it's like Ansible is created by the Python, but you can control Ansible by the Python also. So you will get that right in description. Okay. Ashok, no need to worry about that email. I can tell you. You can come here. Okay. On this, what I say. I think there is some this form. Are you able to see this form? Contact with us. So come on this mm, website futuretechnoindia.com. You will see this uh, contact form. You can just ping us. Also, you will come here and follow each other social media handles, that LinkedIn one, YouTube one. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like my work and my dedication about this thing. So you can just I didn't open from last a couple of days. Like, yeah, these kind of things. We have don't social much active on our social media. Sorry about you guys, but you can just ping us. I think we have didn't updated from last couple of months, so you can just ping us, like come with us and we will connect there. Okay. Anything else, guys, for you? I think there is nothing. So thank you guys for being with me on this weekend morning, and I hope you will chill in this weekend a lot and learn something more, and try to increase your technical and other skills also. Don't forget to uh, spend time with your families and other things. Also don't forget to subscribe and this our channel. Also share this video with your known ones. Can we create, okay, can we create a AWS yeah, Gautam, you can do it, but for that they will not, it's like absolutely free. If you go in the AWS free uh, tier. So if you'll see, AWS provide you some service as like a free. They are limited. I am telling you, you have to add your credit or debit card. Like it should be the Visa one. So you have to add that, and then After that, they will direct you. They will ask you for 1 2 rupees for authentication. They will give it to back to you. There was for the some authentication thing, that you are not. That's like you are not the robot, or that kind of thing. And after that, they will charge you after 1 year. They will, for the 1 year they will give you the free trial account. So they will charge you for the some services. But if you see this na, cloud computing is a cloud like easy to use platform, 1 year free. So it's not like 1 year completely free, but it's free. Cloud AWS EC2 try to free 450 sorry, 750 hours in a month. So it's like if you are using the EC2, it's not like you are using any EC2. It is the type also. Once we are going inside the cloud, then I will tell you like how much it's free and for which type of OS and this thing. So if you cross with the limit na, then they will charge you. So I will tell you like which thing. Also, you can do one thing before, if you are new in the cloud era. So what you can do before provision any resources, before creating anything in the cloud, just search on the billing portal. Like if I say AWS EC2 pricing. So if you see na, there this was the pricing. So they will tell you like how they are pricing the thing, pricing calculator or get pricing assistant. So you can just come on these portals. They will guide you about the pricing. Okay. And most of the time for the learning, you will get many things for the free. So no need to worry. You have to spend anything. All the demos which I will show in this, you will get the idea of all the service, and also you will uh, try to play with them. It's absolutely free. So there is no hidden charges. Like I am not the partner of the AWS. I will try to increase the AWS bill for from you guys. So it's not like that. Okay. Although I am wearing the Google T-shirt, so it's not like I am promoting the Google. So I got from somewhere, so I just wear it. Okay. Anything else? I think not. Okay. So we are good to go. Bye bye guys, and take care. Don't forget. Like I'm repeating again. Sorry for you. Sorry for the guys. Uh, Always like our channel. If you have anything, you can ping me on the LinkedIn all and the comment section of this video, and please share this video in the known. That's the only thing. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.